Is our strawberry bed. We're doing really well. Super exciting. We did have a roly-poly problem. They were eating all of our strawberries, but I put down diatomaceous earth and that took care of it. It looks like that is a sunflower randomly coming out. We've got mint, lemon tree, onions. Here's some tomatoes that I planted the other day. They're looking very yellow. I'll have to see what's up with that. Here is our broccoli bed, and we put neem and orange oil on it to deal with some pests, and we kind of fried the plants. So, there you go. Same thing happened to this sunflower right here. But it's coming right along. It's a mammoth sunflower. There's an onion that's gone to seed. This bed has onions, asparagus, parsley, and here's a flower that's beautiful. I need to look up what it is. I planted all sorts of wildflowers last year and none of them came up, and there's been several. This will be a flower too. There have been several that have come up. This, according to the frost, is evening primrose. I need to look and see if it's the medicinal type, with onions. Our pepper plant that overwintered. You can see it's flowering and has little tiny cayenne peppers on it. That is cilantro gone to seed. There's chives. Over here, the mint bed. It's gone crazy. Here's some more tomato starters. A few of them are looking yellow too. Some of them I just planted. Some of them I planted a week ago. Onions, mint, catnip popping up, chives, more onions down that way. I just harvested parsley, but it was really getting gigantic to the point where it was shadowing our tomato plants. There's one starter we planted about 2 weeks ago. It's already flowering. There's a few more tomato starters. You can see where I harvested the parsley. You can hear the baby on the baby monitor. If he starts to wake up, I'm going to have to go. Rosebush, I need to look up what's wrong with it. It's got white on it. Garlic. Aliana's rosebush. I'm hoping that that's a marigold. But I don't know, I need to look it up. I did plant marigold seeds last year. None of them came up. They're from John's sister's front yard. This rosebush looks like it needs to be watered. That one was a clone from last year. It's taken off. Here is our greens bed. Kale. Onions. That's mustard green right there. Not looking too hot. Not sure what we did on those. Onion bed. Potato bed. And here is the hugel garden in process. You can see everyone out working. The dog's playing. So, there's our garden update. Oh, our peacock was missing for a week and a half, but he's back. We had to go get him with the neighbors, and they bought 2 chickens. Neighborly love. So anyway, there's our garden update. Peace and love.